abusuan for Mwakwaba and a World Spine Day. Kaisa we spine ho ban. Another pay honorable Henry Corte MP I also central babe kame ho. Ye hwese ye nua chairman wan so beba onya ma ye die nkomo ne beto asora. Honorable Kwabo.
Yaja
Apombo ko de.
Onyame adom.
Yo, ye de nase. Binim sabre mu ni bre mo sisi mu akoto aba.
Sanity.
Ana bibia ye, se bibia ye boko.
Oh, ye tutu niama na onyame adom on the etiti akoto aba. Se me nchia etiefu nyina.
All right. Okay.
Ene Ghana man ye da nyame ase se wama adipatwa achie. And the tiene se em se party bia mu wo Ghana ha ene amanoni nyina no ye won hihye ye Sanchi no intra-party, the different intra-party elections. You started free polling stations. We polling stations. We have electoral area coordinator. We have constituency officers. We have constituency officers. We have national, regional officers. Regional officers. We have national officers. For national officers, we are. Na fe no obenya obi a obekuta party nim frankai de broni friend of flag bearer na owie no so na fe no wabenya parliamentary candidates a won be gina party na no ewo mrahye badwam na onyame adom MPP ya fasa hihye mu nyina na nyame adom a 18th of October ye memre day ye beko akoye elections said the ya ne say constituency bia no polling station executives won wo ho no won meto aba no won constituency enti no ohwe Ghana constitution ni share na ye 275 constituencies but national council for any founding members ni niama any won be fi ama no ni be ba no beto in there no national headquarters enti we kan ho na akoye 276 it is 276 constituencies you know ye gidi se onyame ma ememele ndatu ye asomdwe mu a baby be nyina elections be koso ho na nhihye kakra wo ho se candidate bia candidate gina no ye ewura ye papa Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo so no da first anyem se no da first or ballot paper
paper ballot paper no on the dash first
oh
okay
and number 1 afi honorable Adanimo and a number 2 and Alan Martin number 3 ballot paper no so na nhihya kakra wo ho fa party no hu kire say candidates ni na be yi one polling agents now we are representative more across the 276 voting areas no na polling agents no be ye mienu but them at the given time no polling agent back on na ebeye adwuma say be ya bia opeso didi kakra opeso twa ho kakra say bi na obi so so be hye na name afi so ye obi bia e friend no proxy actually say wona wodin woso a say wona wo ba na obeto aba nemu ebia na yare bi abo say bi ana say bia unni krum ana unni ho baby beto aba no nti no guidelines no ma ho kwan se obeyi obi amana gina wanemu no wato aba no na sa nipa na obeto aba no so no ankasa so eye delegate dada na otumi ato aba se wi
obi na
nipa na wo proxy no
so no so wi obi oto aba no
oto aba ni bi na obeto a so obeto ama fan say bi a say peace FM na wo to aba tiki na say wo yi mi say mentu mawa say me ba peace FM na me beto ha sana embra no tie sana nhihye no yaye no that's a proxy
but any dangerous
oh that be
ya ti ameka sa ne say e bia na nipa ko na obeto aba na ono e proxy no ono wo bi obeto ama no na wo so bi a wo so the opposite otoma no so different there chese onko to nka ono na de no ho na onkonya
we dey try say they want to go on do safo a okaki a obi so dama o gidie woni mu say
obey sama
obey no fire ma sana
oba ba bibu akunta kire wa
afi so de hia mi titire no am pese tiefo so tie bi no ye be bie voting centers no 7 o'clock anopa about 3K easy for atom. And the restaurant chief for any delegates are going to Aba. So when money in Ruho by 7, going to Aba. Now in Shisha no so choice going to Aba ni wia. Going to Mbasa Kakra. About 3 years easy close na we Aba. Na o my BT results no. The attendance say about 3 o'clock na electoral officers no ebe kind polling agents n'anim e kan bibia no a ho no ano normal the results na to dwa na candidates no polling agents no so asensan krata na se na wa ya kire nipa sa polling station no onyame mani di ni kan wo na won wi
na ka ka bo ma
ha mo de be call national contest no ni ka bo mu na afi ni a kire de oye overall winner afi so I'm say your security arrangements now so fine. We no money in Shisha be in kitchen
my and I'm to say Mujina secretary Bokoko say ma obi and declare results na a party na nkasa and a bed declare results no sa usual so Ghana obi and declare apart from say easy and answer obi obey no yeah radio need TV and declare results we just announce. But like so obi nya 2 e beka so nya 2 obi nya 1 so nya 1 and in our estimation no do nya 2 no we need here we power for us we beka kire say
menene yes and says say baby I do no kebi mami kebi 21st century and if I say wo report about me constituency na so we na so see machine e win elections
the calculation
was a whole I feel so mo to meet na say mo say ya ka ga na nyina mo machine na odi kan I'm say no dey say be to stop mo na mo the final person or authority Beka say ampa esimasi say no party new any easy na eno so no say in conformity with the media for akora no mo because I did agree and agree
let me why that caution no because you for say ya to awie na onipa asemasi wanya mo se nipa 140 ekwa 2000 ekoto na yesi ba akwanya 80000 na me se nipa asemasi na nya 80000 and by calculation no wanya 80000 no on wa win
absolutely
anyway
and I did ba ko so wo say guidelines no mu so ya yese obi a okwakoto abani bia no say na mra ne tie o hwe 75 mu a say oto abano secretly and no guidelines we kire say okoto abana me fe paper ni kire say mato masi say o meye free mu afi so okoto wi a memfa camera entwa nipa wato amano bobo so a bobo ni yie sa niama esa say MPP no ya niama nyina ya krabehwe nti ya no fine say be ya obi so wa kire na ya party no asonani nti ya din shisha to kama na em say emre mi di kan say said the kabema min kebi wo ya party no mu nti no ye intra party elections ye ma ho kwan so obi a kire na dwen na emum we are quick not to do cosmetic and I repeat this ye cosmetic say kurumuno na say bi abo pada fine na internal ni epra ya ka we nyam say 18th ye be elections no kama I sure Ghana for the 18th pair onyame adom ye koni akodutim no di aba
EIU for say ni pakro be winning lesson yo mo ankasa kro mo dia tudwa by mo calculation no but we say party no nye united behind say nipa no economic intelligence unit or more report or dia ba no
I am very surprised to hear that
sir ba man for bi akeka kan
esan say tio
ansa no mbeka kra last week na newspaper bi su kra I was say me person me body was nipa asmasi will win but
me obeni KCBC, the voice of the people is the voice of God. Ampa bebre no kwe bibia, uhwe ni padodo. Any ewo parliament in you say all those in favor are near my so. Any education. Ye wie 2012 elections no. Ye wura na do danko Akufo-Addo. Na nkrofo say be or arrogant. say be or selfish or present crofo woman the president and some baby or die or see young crofo no mojango and son with the president or got to court to them for almost 8 months when be no one grant interview he allowed the rule of law to prevail. Democrats no GD I feel 92 or they are all fighting for no and I'm going to know can be I had the Ghana. So
be sure says unity of purpose mubenya and kabumuno beba
maybe riba
or the bisa build a background will be a chasm to the
bisa my foundation.
Okay,
and you know also a we court no asem your kind here me pa or say me dear me ni omu nyadwen na mum Ghana mine any asumbi ni ahunto beba Ghana ntino magiato and actually no baby abafa bia wiase afa na nyina obia e kire se yemfa sa nipa no embra na nado mbra na oba obetumi agitumi now apart from crofo no kano yankasa party ne won hihye that is the polling station executives your constituency executives and na hihye ne kire se ye koyi frankatuni na se nipa no bro enum a I see a year special electoral college eno ne ekoyeye and na party pinning for when you said be party ni si omo so the hierarchy of the party ekoto aba and yenyina enim dia na nan overwhelmingly that means even at the top the party has spoken and then so no grassroots no I work from polling station executives nyina wọ́n two nyum bi say no nana no vote and yeah eka nti onipa sa no I'm wondering where that ICU report ni fiba na me ye pesi ye show mo bo bibi o munyo mo report no say onyame adomo a Saturday sebi bisin dia wi a obi we num a ye hu say dia tie say white to say kokko obi abehu na owini wi so a party no it will be forever united o behwa o sa me a oka say onyanko biomi ended for 24 hours ono ankasa odi me kakọ na ho essence only
got so call
and these people are crofo say be omwe nim dia untumi remote control mo but only mom nim say dia papa ne tie say why e bi da
into oni amanfo nya adwen say omo chere na beni na namu say be omo yenu mo say asen agya akota na chi na amanfo hu say yeah or support oni crofo nya adwen say
I don't think so because competition na ne ko say nsa nkana na ko round wi wa ko round na to say the Alan Koran and then moko and then no or see or be really the campaign e won cry it me no ka say o kwa branch exporter in she share wa holding ding nya sem petro by 12 o'clock no polling station fu nyina be to aba delegates fu obi o ya MPP na na see obi share yen e wo by 1 o'clock na oni ye edin komo
Memo adwa home na umia bedie chama wa banti chama Adekye chama kwaba apombo kwade wo ma na edi nkoma na say 2 days efie ni mko na wa nkasa umia no omko akoto aba we ni omotu wi ada cheso mo yi mo flag bearer omo say no mo di ba tu mo efie abra so one time and say mo say we dey just you know foregone conclusion in 2016 no and be tie na edi ho nkoma ba twenti wa ba die wonsu di na yese mo da no so mo eden mo ba do ana mo commissioner
awon fe
chama
otide
minado because
na minado unu anu mo so woko to aba
yes
miminde
yeah
na the trouble wa sha se do
oh trouble abasa as this time there bibia ye din what's the name we are party no but to be na de bia maka de maka challenge there o come on kuti ba now no there oto na party Alan
maka challenge nte we first time we can dey sisi us the polling agency na bia other there for gone conclusion what to aba na ewie aba what to ewie
eh bit by surprise bit me about
dama
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Easy.
Anything
system not there for him, no. It's difficult for him because I don't know. Pennyfunya wa declare parliamentarians. We know parliamentarians wa declare, but declare long ago. Asana afoko no work them more 1 year no still even vote to cry was the way we voting or the church. It's some other no until UNC in the PFP ibe we no be there that ma azan munde is EIU sabaze
EIU
yeah one of their predictions there I think or dispatch will be on the pay there by the time na Akufo-Addo will win but not for Onya United Front oyampa because nyama mutiti wo grapevine no so there was certain arrangements be a war year yeah nche they need a big this time unfortunately no because we're facing economic challenges no easy or them about time but the economy is improving. Gradually it is improving. We are getting to Kenya. Eventually by 2016 we'll get to Kenya. Oh, we'll get
I
to
should
Kenya.
take that from you.
Take it from me.
2014 October 15.
15.
2 months now
can't you see the signs? The signs are there. The constituency a circle. Has it fair your harman. Other than Yamiasi, the small messes.
Maybe I don't know for the better mama, but some for the moon film cry.
Oh, by 2016,
regional chairman of NDC. Lead regional, what better now?
Oh, yeah, because you never order ya, but my Ghana for. Wow, Mato, oh, no,
2016, now to say,
President Mahama, and I pay, I'm the origin, or I saw the Nakumado. You do or come to that. There are few challenges as to compensation. In there, I don't know, or I hope that a boy, Mobile Dimbia, a boy soon, Sisia, a Kaswa interchange. Our parliament last year we approved in some roads on him. Nyama we approve emergency parliament or create. They approve certain roads. Abama Ghana for young water. Until I believe there here's the Nsro when you Pakua you know minim double winning because the field oh I'm typically the Alano or Kaman Kutanche. I got to the party. Adani model try the law for 2040.
Oh, okay.
2040.
40.
No, 2040.
But I didn't know soon and not this time. You tell us Musun. Yes, traditionally your concept be say Ubi out in a yard, they were come back, me and also soon. And that one party more history no Professor Mills or call back. Third one, no winning.
Yeah, you see the dynamics are different. Seriously different. Ghana, President Bianua was served only one term.
And I said President Mama.
No. Yes, you're a lawyer. So don't let's go there. We are a lawyer. It's his first term. When a vice president, serving the 3-4 months of the presidency of Professor John Vantage, God bless his soul. So you know the constitution.
Until obey the culture, they say obey the
at least on the Ghana for. See 4 years, the first time. The good people of Ghana knows that all year Juma. I mean under all year Juma, they will continually support him to finish his second term. Now we are that time no ebia Ghana for obohwe say or the what to aba me no what to aba
and okura ebia
I know that Dama culture and pedeka no I wouldn't believe it's true. We shall continue but all them that time na I want to about so much there Ghana for what to aba me some ka there ada no woman for 2014
okay
until we wish them luck but if you are Obo you know, I'm the second in what you train recently no. Oba someone to tribute because on your easy battle at all.
I see. 1441. Unam for me MP for honorable Kratia himself very comfortable, but honorable. Yes, about the mobile 12 you and we are and I'm between baby, but comment Kakabia baby. PURC so much energy. Baby, I'm one of them some light party. Who talk come on. Only problem. Only I know back home pregnant. We are
quick. I'm say. And then the original chairman, my artist, when a person went to political party, MPP.
Oh, sir.
So the okay, it's a meeting.
So advice,
or canon authority. It's in the person Ghana for United States, NDC 4% Tea Party, my MPP. Now, I want to assure Ghana for say it will never happen. Yeah, and come back to UNC after 18th of October. We are very much united. I feel so now or can a quite our my yen I'm
second one because
Onunim says arrangements has been in place for who's your time to but also arrangement in place for who's your time to the drawings are there, you can do it. But
implementation numbers
a vision. Now said the year and then almost copied do I see almost me your mama
call your
10
Kaswa
and tell no
and no me fa Kaswa me say the background
almost trust baby 200 schools as we see Ghana o market so ni na yante honka so hum kwan and a major problem as I say a ho and they have a transport near Mako I feel so what can be a same and also me to me na no kakra Efa Adekye Nsroma ho. I say Ghana be ye. Is it Canaan? Ghana it's a Canaan. And then me way where now can some which I'm say baby a tea or mine my ding. I am who baby at the buffet. Why now to make catcher and say Ghana be ye in 2016 or GD. And say okay. Yeah, mum, and I think to make a chum say Mundi Mufiasam. As answer more elections are more coy, and some way people not dorsal. And maybe Sir John Coca send me and I'm one year to get us what can he and neck a see didn't get is on record to have said, say, or intimidating Crawford. Say, going to Abama. Those who are committed, those who are loyal, those who are this.
Advice and yes, exhortation and
intimidation. Because the other can't who are threatening says, more and yes, idea, make Jamo party now. And go for to about moment to Abanwe. Moment to Abba. Now, one anti party won't him, Yanni and TV. Nyamo, okay, you know, why you.
Oh, okay.
One on Cosunyani. And almost former president Beba no more started Bombay. Independent to me in Chianco-Fopo. What do you mean? In the end, party, I can assure Ghana for, I can assure MPP who say our party is united. Yeah, and Kebi Mami Kebi. In 10 years, Kebi. Name after 18th, may Shanobo say, Omo party non person Mutima, Chairman, but quickly, you will say, no, Bidum Fu say, it be a party in the Emma, but Nipa Binu Metna. Fence. I don't see that happening.
Sir,
you
have been a C 2012, no? 2018, you've been a C.
Why the time change?
Obia, Munina, Obia, Bono. So, what about Tomo no Casa, a betching Katia in the Bimu, Mama National?
Oh, yeah, man, this one.
And now I'm all right.
I was on record to have said, Omo found that tea party. Or see with or without Rollins, they were going to win.
Okay.
I think maybe what kind who hear me say every president has to do a second term.
Or it has been a culture.
Every political party
headed by a president.
Please, it's a political
Okay.
But
Marinkle was it for or say a party whom the call 2 terms, not the president.
I am president. Political party. Indra, what's the attack candidate for America? What's it? Indra, what's it? Yeah, I saw my attack candidate kind of. Oh,
Marinkle, what do you mean?
Indra, I saw my attack candidate kind of. Tiki, me say, I who power. I say, Akufo-Addo no. Also, I'm parking no. Oh, to me win the election. I say he can never win election.
On your rabble rouser our party.
Oh no, I cannot not sure chasing the elephant.
That notwithstanding.
No, can you grab close quarters? He's talking from close quarters. Indra, also had abana mo koto no, a man for no mo say omutuma na Akufo-Addo. Omo win the election. Indra munjai. No mun to aba papa. Omwa atakane de ka some kind no. Just the evening from America, one of your the sister stations. I was cringing. Past say, hey, at a power or a board, and on you see, if the frog comes from the river and tell the crocodile.
Is he still a frog?
No, until the crocodile is dead.
Or that's a frog.
Because the frog, if river no bag a crocodile,
I'm just or that's a frog.
Ah, a frog. No kind of crap.
I could track it because that's a frog. Okay. It's okay, but PURC and in fact, players in the industry, no more my Canada, or Mancasa crowd to say, I dare no, we should who should be as and TSC PURC so my crunch meeting. What then I was saying because interventions we are CBI, but now to Mr. Canada, you do no business or say you do double, you do Pama say yes, you're mad enough.
Opening, I'm say, of course, Roba from what on 9 this year by and a week number in Fairmont chain. In fact, there's been any ma your 2 utilities bills across crude oil. Many bear matiming chain. Somewhere general crude oil was over $100 a barrel. Since then, as we speak, crude oil is somewhere around $80. Yatisu. I feel when once here, dollar no about 3.1 per their books. Na some factors we abanasa a DNT and the utilities ecoso. That's one. Number 2, quality of service. Is below.
And until the plan almost
below. It's answer and then no. Say maybe. Once I mean, near my own free. I say. It's answer can you call number and utility companies they have an obligation. Say provide this service am I. Yes, so you triaka. Say prepaid here by. Student for be a nipa back petting in them or so can near back fridge back. 2 weeks almost talk near 50 Ghana. Now who talk near 50 Ghana as a student? Why our family does crack 3-4. Sometimes it's about between 300 to 400 Ghana a month. That means consumers are paying. If they are paying, then what is the problem? That's another issue. Leakages everybody now, maybe problem is leakages. When to stop leakages now, they shouldn't transfer the cost back to the consumer. It's unfair. All government agencies here, Masha, I don't know the last time we between electricity bill. Ocean pipes are pipe and Ghana ha. Obi to me boom so pipe no da when you say or the shining pass is city point na pipe 1 man na crofo boom so say sa leakages no bar. Now why transfer cost no assign the consumer. And the PURC for no. Make I say almost to first one. You share parliamentary subcommittee. And I catch you almost say, look, yen penny a moment to a deal with me. Because serving Crawford to about my you representing our constituents. And we believe say this is your constituents no worry. And to why Roman back before we could say Jack no matter. And to say no almost from Mama Bede. Because it is appearing say PURC in itself cannot accept itself so by regulating Crawford. enti me de baby am gina no e gina ban no so on frɛ o montem no nka bibi ncho because ya $3 so na ba fom na se ya crude oil so a e de enti e na wo de wo to niama so because wo to electricity mu wo to water mu pair indirectly no it affects the standard of living I mean ya sifim kakra nkrofo a say be won say I care for you the people matter and basi na are the concerns of Ghanaians not a matter to them.
Sa problem a deep-seated national problem. A bro just a buying so. It as a national problem. Also, you tackle no. Minim said you be no, but you dig the power by.
I don't think you are not no because any other way you know. Na say the entire media mobile no coming from mem. But when you have a whole president of the Republic of Ghana comes on air openly to say as at 2013 said do some will be over on my specific date make I by November last year. Ne ni kwa soko kasa. Esen ko tunubu. Na hwehwe sa nya me nyina gas pipeline no dia na nhihye no eko. But this is about the third time wakasa e wo dum so ho. Ntia na fe na ese ye de tunso because that means onu ni tia edum kanea no. Me ko asin fosu opening last week no na e ya reho. They say you do can almost every 20-30 minutes be an echo. Na me be say me who say be then I punto abakana because can ni ani ni amani nsuo e bi answer teacher phone to me nya adwumai because we dey no to baby na say bi ankara ha noti na say ayo kro de meto ni nya makora aye den ho obi nsusu wo ho o person ne besua ade kakra e we kurase na dachi no wotumi abeye a responsible citizen in this country yes if na I think say as a matter of agency no say abai offer PURC for no utility service ni any omo trance no mo kire ye ni ntia
ye wo ba bia ye wo no
because media me feel say to date no mo nya nkire ye ni papa de omo ka media e ho hia me pa he and then crofo de omo ka enye de omo bank crofo fi e be dundum light to 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana. A car cashier in billions.
A
car cashier in billions. And in Sanya meaning in 3 more. I face only leakages, may repeat him. Only leakages, no. Oh, my share say, Nina, Pepe, Piana. Almost Sanya meaning in a normal year. May I sure say, Omo Betty, rather say, Omo Betum.
Well, one of these days, you better say, Benya ECG, William Boate, Mia Minia. Now, Willie may know the best face of power has it. The interior was say, the cost the cost. But, Chairman, and no kind part of the story now, or say, the masses say, I was a crowd, so hospitals are. It me doom cania, a bidum plant in Timiaso, because it be why several hours. Now, no cry, a collebu. In TB or it may cancer, patient number as there be surgery, no, yen to me yet. Ebiso surgery so here immediate attention. Now, in all this, the government are buying so bad and they are buying, you know. Problem be ni wha say ye adwene free so say your consumption no say no a cost more. And yes, I say I don't akwaye. And they ntimi meet the demand no.
One factor, but per se me address baby PURC summons providers. Headline and your government someone's providers. PURC no institution ya set one say omo hwe nti ye emphasis ni fio na the government yankasa we don't believe in our institutions and them are in problems no nti as a legislator no nim say institutions ya mandate to government call interference here e be ka say boy government is not allowing the system to work. Let as someone over there, Ebisan, your consumption has it outstripped the supplier now, and that's exactly so. Apart from that, I agree with him. Wastages. Apart from that, yet now I'm there for the past 10-20 years. Won't you electricity bill that? That is what providers when a problem of investment because if you 20 few now what onya enough funds what the other investment ehone de bia ye ka de providers no what are they making in that direction the illegal connection being about effort na wo ye we retrieve some of these factories na nyame ya wo mita no obo no this is there obey normal no we reduce slow that is the wastage over there yehwe ansana ya ka de you resolve those issues now because you add you increase because you politics in film there's a power I politics or affecting because what do kanyina one ka de NDC ni na we do kanya na ni face and MP
take advantage
that is why we do stage be in my year previously if you continue to go that line you holistic solutions to your problems because about football they will come and sit here and talk and answer but if you are all singing from the same hymn book there's wastage. What are we doing about it? Consumption our streets of increase. What are we doing about it?
And no say chama mesro me cattle but wo drive or town to say crying high rise buildings. Every one of them you see the glass na afa ho. So it means say ya nkasa na no you see creative ventilation. So it means you need more air conditioners. And then you chance as no be brave. So it means say you need more. So the question is intino say yeah abazi failing and yeah akosumu failing and there. Yet me father private for be more because a demand no
demand no but demand no cost of production and cost of service provider no demand no although break even most of payment now that they do not break even. That is why most providers are not coming in. But that notwithstanding though today there are certain number of the year at least over reduce your consumption. For instance, this day and age, why there here street lights they go on the national grid. Of late me solar or certain places. I think if we continue in that direction right above boy most new houses are worse. Why don't you find ways at least so what's the cost of providing solar or expensive? Why don't we find the cheapest means of providing solar in most houses? Echo China and other area, but there new estate urbano, one of the conditions is that or there was solar. Government project high-rise buildings or there was legislation there. I will be say high-rise houses, office block. Yeah, sure there was solar panels. So these are the kind of things that Nima over there. Yes, sure. Yeah, politics. One hour, baby, I am brave. Once a while, share. But the button, yes, aban, bibia, aban, bibia, aban. You will get nowhere. You will get nowhere. Until as in or your holistic or there, share. Most of our power so. Yet to be my Togo. Yet to be my Ivory Coast. Yet to be my Burkina. Because you have some protocols here over there, you're satisfied. Did you know I come my yesu yenya because I want to be a ton more foreign exchange. The system no more than those are the kind of things out there. Then we address these issues rather than what's around or affecting while we now solutions are about boy than to come and sit here and try to apportion blame because otherwise we'll go back to so many governments.
My meeting. It be naive, but let me be say, is it for example not possible say it be a community be it be ombenya set be a omubeti media provide electricity than to maybe rely on a national or a communal system and yet when you're sure of and then say you do more lighter on Kwajuma. You do lighter a post challenge to your security. the whole community won to me who say wonder say won be because ko shed them a hoye who be proto ha kromfo ba be wiawo so maybe you lose that stage.
Take a look at our waste. We don't know how to dispose of our waste. But echo other jurisdictions are waste or energy. Into why they invest, young father, young thing there, you buy invest into waste over provide the technology is there.
She says, "I could be Hobiana, a mutu a baller no baller pie team hono."
Oh, inti baby would no in no there. Yes, shoulders. Yeah, it's good there. What from one? What is their problem? Waste or can? One can change there. At least they are making every effort to eliminate the waste. Or the pipe. Echo pipe. Other super good amount for
nobody
about
cares.
Nobody cares. But people have been prayed. You have banana more, Harry. On your banana.
One second.
Also, be on funny shoulders now. All the broad shoulders.
One second. All along, you know, it was the responsibility of the PURC. Someone can't check Ghana for the air, and yet president to the betray and say, the patrol. Say, can you no. Say, one mecha.
No, Harry.
I my specific data and to be on board by Harry. And no, 10 years is an idea, Miss Reno. Next
On country president, so you
know, Harry, as American, I know president to know technical men. When I work Gridco, electricity corporation, no work at there at this stage, you know. But prices, president, often now known to prices. On instructing one day, we increase and now we decrease prices.
But Chama only say coming from him, no. Ebema Magana for GD more
president Akambia. I agree with you.
And you be so be a most politicians, some be the Mokafa Kania. Because parliamentarian to me got snap and make say ya buy bar so dum ni na bejai na na buy bana so dum ni bejai
it's a lesson for all of us. It's a serious lesson. That's why I'm saying or there because affect bia e be ko fie na bia bre na we dum like the Eboko office, no we do light. It means or affect productivity. It is seriously no. Or there you address these issues. There problem no. How are we going to have alternative means? Obama consumption now workers because it's going to go up still. It's going to go up.
Yes, in fact, because now individual back cameraman or phone baby. Or iPad, laptop, computer, obia and obia or never be so well, honorable. Into your better day because it's say I know the why beat my man, we are so far shoulder and broad shoulder and fabric and cure problem. No, just 2 minutes to me.
And Kamimi said, the old canon is I see a share. Waste I produce so a and doso. And you share quite a waste, no? Between me translated or
into energy, power.
And also creative jobs indirectly, MIN. Into the young share honor. Now, fee, ya car, solar energy, you see a cost too much. But if you are boy and work room, until advantage back with that. Young share back for now. Take 2 minutes next year upon na NDC for office here and come Mamma can want some and then Obiane who you why you go see office next year and I want general secretary the Bruni Becker categorically denied it.
Yeah.
And then no me were hope NDC for actually and said they have no respect for the people of this country. Oh yes. Because in Kawusi no and central for and now nya butreka and beach and back or catch almost say in no correct. And then no if I see a business assembly. Many are no can see for parliament almost playing giddy and me approve laws. Opening and laws here couple of years, the baby quine, a baby say, a baby nyama, and quadra egu a classy. I could not make the school when one drink and the meetings you are there. Now, this is for I almost said down for yes, and your mobile we matter and they care about us. In these difficult and challenging times, so much to me, Sika $20 million. ABC on party office.
First of all, you confirm say $20 million.
Oh no.
Is it true say $20 million? Because you can be making
the question is, always sit down.
Yes, sit down. Because I sit down.
You can't almost sit down. Internal quantities, I I feel they should prove it. One more for or more quantities in Mara.
Okay.
The answer you can
$20 million.
I feel me, Miss I say money one. Almost from a bank account. One more child, baby, as a kind of
Henry.
Of course, this
is a party.
A party now, Muslim. I teach her for 6 months in Tiomoka, Colibu for necessary
community health, student nurses allowance, quota.
Do you use it for court strike? No,
no.
The Munya be the sea party. Oh,
David,
take it. Party fans.
Take it. No, take it.
You have the last word.
One MP. One candidate
85,000.
Munyes Kawai.
And
you know, so person can say 850 million.
I said, don't get here. On moment, no book to be about China. No Pagana.
Oh, sir.
No on media fortune. Because he was very sarcastic to them. Or Momo who said the media phone, Nimoma. And also was I. Into Ombuku to you know Pagana fortune, no country of Sampa, and this for your yams from so. Next time we can no pray actually because we a party a ubu mind so dear ye be not also air. It's a question on your credibility and integrity. That's
Asma and yet legitimate.
Take it.
And yet legitimate.
First and foremost, Adana is also on 20 million.
Yes,
mean to him, oh. Me general secretary.
The one I lead regional.
But me I lead.
When I chairman of chairman, and I confer on you.
I agree. But I know James was a metna, and then make say party discuss or the say that. And then at the proper time, no, the general secretary will address the issue. And yet 20 million the first instance. In the first instance, say a party is the office scrapper, and yet a bicycle. Need this party.
Dabi.
Party. Your party. Your any members. Separate variety. You call two abano. You have 5.something million. You can say 5.something million. Munya NDC supporters. It's a mixture of Ghanaians. But at least we can boast about this having at least 1 or 2 million supporters. Core. That is I say to you, sir. You to me see. Party office. No, I true. No, make sure I say because meba. Oh, South Africa. Because we can't some no. We see into your doctors, into your way. NDC party no, a party. You have government. Government no engagement. Government to me first. Can say NDC party. If you see. Office blood. I was say you distinguish side because why I say a propaganda a cost system no man say hey I for a buying sika you go see this office matter no at the appropriate time the party will address. Now you know that how this thing came about.
Chairman, on hindsight na nka mo sha se na man for the buy no unyi ni se nka mo address ya nka na metre hankasa asem. Because denials of
no, Satan, no, okay,
from one executive to the other.
No. Satan, okay, General Mosquito, okay, say you cross Sunyani conference. But after okay, annual report. Okay, say the NDC went back on an office project. Okay, so it was referring people to that.
And chairman, a man for cancer office no more who adabraka.
na ye afi na be
am pass so be si adabraka
nti afi na ye be address the issue. They are jumping the gun. They are jumping the gun. Oh,
Chamba.
am pass so be si adabraka
they are jumping the na me just say yes sunyandi conference no. Ye kan wo me say the party tamam say tamale that your party will embark on an office project for the national. Ye kan nti e wo je ye asama ye be di atro well, but because I'm person be mischievous, no. I'm person be mischievous. No more come from nene. Until that time, no, there was no need for the general mosquito too because it was the same daily guide, no. No more raises side issues, no. Yeah, okay. So people should go and read our the national, the state of affairs of the party. On Tamale. Why are we crying?
And I said I was saying other executives no be boy.
No party structure. Party structure no. This kind of has to be addressed by the general secretary. If you go be the party executive, how would they know? It's the general secretary. These things have to be addressed by the general secretary. And then what can say? By addressing.
It's your bad address. Okay. Challenge to Musu so Musi glass Musi modern mirror finish. I'm so Musi. Sir.
Grassroots. Oh, maybe a party office work. National headquarters. Second year better uncle for Kutukum. Oh,
grassroots, one candidate, 850 million.
Honorable Henry Cote, MP, I also sent
grassroots to be just as
the constituency, and I hear
yes,
touching you.
Touching fireman. Touching fireman.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
There is all
German who call information I made to know. Why German who's on information.
Okay. It's exciting time on MTN. It's free after 1 on MTN to all networks. Now talk for as long as you can with MTN in Commodity today. You pay for only the first minute and the rest is free. I mean free. Yes, it's absolutely free after the first minute. Enjoy unlimited talk time only on MTN to all networks. Make that call now and pay for only the first minute. Dial *315# to sign up for free. Go on, enjoy the freedom of longer conversations with MTN and Commodity and say, welcome to the world. The new world. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. For ye pejay mu na ye shamo boss MPP for about to who sunsan so ni na no UTV ebebo modern na ye de abramo nti no mo hwe se ebeba and rally no sukra ebeba so ma fair dia ma fair na because yes party chairman say daily guide almost free mo headquarters and reminim so te ya.
I don't want to comment.
Oh, all right.
I hope sir Allah will tear me. I'm senior with school.
Okay.
I hope sir will tear me. So on got in the party.
Yapon. I was for Yapon. Yami had much. You were saying shame. Jamadi ko kabeda honorable and record is also medamasi. You pay more chanya me had the same shame.